Hello everyone, this is our automatic dough sheeter machine. Now I show you how to change thickness of dough. First you see here, current thickness is 42 mm and thinnest thickness or final thickness is 20 mm. That means if you give dough is 42 mm, output is 20 mm. But if you want to make more thickness or more thinnest, then change here. You see 42, 39, 36, then final thickness is 20. But if you want to know more thinnest, then change here 18, enter, 15, enter, 112, enter, sorry here 112, enter, then 110, enter. If I want to make thinnest thickness is 10 mm, just final thickness 10 mm, then need to save data, then confirm and back. You see here thinnest thickness now 10 mm set and current thickness 42 mm. Just now I show you when I start how to automatic change thickness. Just start and you see thickness automatically down, 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 after final thickness then automatic off. See automatic stop.